Hello dear students, welcome to geography class. Our chapter number 3, our environment. It's for class 7th part 3. Today's topic, difficult words. In previous part also some words we have completed. And next words I am continuing in this chapter's difficult spellings. See a student, some spellings are there here. So today's spelling, first spelling is there here, ecosystem. Ecosystem. Ecosystem means what, student? So its Kannada meaning that ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ. ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ. And so next one, so next spelling is there here, aquatic. Aquatic means ಜಲವಾಸಿ. ಜಲವಾಸಿ. And next one, primitive. Primitive means what? Adima. Adima. So next spelling, enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. See here. Enthusiastic means उत्साह. उत्साह. And next one, globalization. Globalization means ಜಾಗತೀಕರಣ. ಜಾಗತೀಕರಣ. Okay, students, listen here. First spelling, today's first spelling, ecosystem. How to reading this? How to spell this? Spell it correctly, right? See here, student. ecosystem. Ecosystem. Ecosystem means what, student? It's a Kannada meaning that parisara vyavasthe. So in previous word we have completed that environment. Environment means what? Parisara. Here ecosystem means what? Parisara vyavasthe. Okay, student? See here next spelling, aquatic. You spell it A-Q-U-A-T-I-C. Aquatic. Aquatic means what, student here? It's a Kannada meaning that jalavasi. You know that, aquatic animals. Jalavasi pranigalu. Okay, these are the aquatic animals. Okay, see here, aquatic means what? Jalavasi. And next spelling is there, primitive. Spell it P-R-I-M-I-T-I-V-E. It's a primitive. Primitive. Primitive means adimam. Primitive means what? It's a adimam. It's a primary. Primitive. And next spelling is there, ENTHUSIASTIC. So this spelling is there, enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means what? In Kannada meaning that utsaha. Enthusiastic, utsaha. Say next spelling, globalization. Spell it Globalization. O B A L I S A T I O N. Globalization. Globalization means Jagatikarana. Globalization means what, student? Jagatikarana. So once again I am repeating these old spellings. Ecosystem, Parisara Vyavasthe. Aquatic, Jalavasi. Primitive, Adima. Enthusiastic, Utsaha. Globalization, Jagatikarana. Okay, student. So you read it that. Again, next spelling I am continuing. See here. So next spellings are they here. Implementation. Implementation, it means Anusthana. Implementation, Anusthana. So next spelling is there, aquaculture. Aquaculture. See here, it means Jalakrushi. Aquaculture means what? Jalakrushi. And next spelling, sustainable. Sustainable. Samarthaniya. See here, Samarthaniya. Okay. And next one, assessment. Assessment. Maulyamapana. Assessment means what, student? Maulyamapana. And next one, decentralized. Decentralized. Vikendrikruta. Vikendrikruta. Okay, students, see here. The spelling is there. Implementation. Spell it. IMPLEmentation. Implementation. You pronounce it. Implementation. Implementation means what, student? In Kannada word that Anusthana. Implementation means what? Anusthana. And next spelling, spell it this. AQUACULTURE. 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 Aquaculture means what? Jalakrushi. Aquaculture means Jalakrushi. And next one, sustainable. Spell it. SUSTAINABLE. Sustainable. Sustainable means what? In Kannada meaning that Samarthaniya. Sustainable means what? Samarthaniya. Next spelling, assessment. Spell it. ASSESSMENT. MENT. Assessment. Assessment means ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ. Assessment means what? ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ. Next spelling, decentralized. Spell it, student. DECENTRALISED. Decentralized. Decentralized means what, student? Vikendrikruta. It's a central place. Vikendrikruta. Okay, student. Once again, I am repeating these whole spellings. Implementation. Anusthana. Aquaculture. Jalakrushi. Sustainable. Samarthaniya. Assessment. ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನ. Decentralized. ವಿಕೇಂದ್ರೀಕೃತ. Okay, student. So next spelling, I am continuing. See here. Next spellings are there. So next one, harvesting. Harvesting means ಕೊಯ್ಲು. And next spelling, draft means burrow. Draft means burrow. Prone, ಒಲವು. And next one, holistic, ಸಮಗ್ರ. Holistic means what? Samagra. So next one, migration. Migration, valase. See, student, some spellings are there here. Harvesting, spell it HARVESTING. Harvesting, it means ಕೊಯ್ಲು. Next, draft. DROUGHT. It's a draft, means burrow. So next one, prone. Prone means what? PRONE. Prone. Prone means ಒಲವು. Prone means what? ಒಲವು. So next one, holistic. Spell it, student. HOLISTIC. Holistic. Holistic means what? ಸಮಗ್ರ. Next one, migration. 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 Migration means what, student? ವಲಸೆ. See, students, once again I am repeating this all. Harvesting, ಕೊಯ್ಲು. Draft, ಬರ. Prone, ಒಲವು. Holistic, ಸಮಗ್ರ. Migration, it's a ವಲಸೆ. Okay, student, here completed difficult words all. Chapter number 3, our environment. So, listen here, student. You make it another 200 pages book. It's the part that geography. You make it geography book different. In that book, you write it chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, our environment, difficult words. So, you should be write these all difficult words. Each spelling means each word you should be write 5 times. So afterwards you are completing work, you send it my WhatsApp number. Okay student, difficult spellings all are completed and today's topic also completed here, part 3 also completed, and next part I am continuing in next session. Thank you.